Hello everyone, this is a new video with my daughter Shahar. We are going to make a headband and this is a perfect project for your kids in summer vacation and it's very easy, so even kids can make. So let's see how Shahar will do in this video. So first we need 20 inches fabric. This is I just take a leftover fabric and this is stretchy fabric. Okay, so for this project you need a stretchy fabric and first we mark it here on 10. Sahar, first mark here on 10. Sahar, can you please mark here on 10? Mark here on 10. Just mark a line. Yes, good. Yeah, that's it. Just we need a dot here. Okay, then you need to fold it like this way. Okay, and see here, this is also 10, so here also mark a line, straight line, so that we will get a straight piece of fabric. Yes, mark here a straight line. Good job, Sahar. Now Sahar, can you please cut this line? Okay, place a hand here and just cut it. Sahar, guys, my daughter is 9 years old and as you can see she is doing fine and I mean she's cutting perfectly. So you guys can also involve your kids in this project. See, now we need to cut this way 6 inches. Okay, so at 6 inches again just mark here. Here also mark 6 inches. Sir, can you place here and just mark a line on 6 inches. This is 6 inches. Mark here a line. Yeah, a dot, just dot here. Yes, good. Now place your scale like this way and mark a straight line. Because guys, our fabric was very randomly leftover piece, so that's why we need to make it a square and it's a good yeah, just mark here a straight line. Good practice for kids to marking the straight lines and to cut your fabric straight. Good, Sahar. Now good job. So now Sahar, can you please cut this line?
Cut this line.
Yes, cut this line. Yes. Place a hand here, yeah, and just cut this straight line. Yes. Good. Guys, if you are interested in more tutorials especially for kids, so I will upload more tutorials. Please let me give your feedback in the comment section, and also please comment something for Sahar to just give her encouragement. Good job, Shahar. Okay, so now first we will stitch. See, now this is 2/4. First we will stitch here. Okay, Sahar, can you mark a line for stitching? Just mark here a line on 1/2 inch. See, this is 1/2 inch. This one is 1/2 inch. So at 1/2 inch you just need to mark here a straight line. Yes, mark here a straight line. Good. Now we are going to stitch this line. Okay, so let's go to the machine. Okay guys, now we are on our machine. So see, Sahar, first put your machine here. Yes, put it like this way. so that your needle is on your this line. Okay, now just down your lever from here. Can you down your lever from here? Yeah, put your hand from here, put your hand from here and just down your lever. Yes, down it. Good. So now just start your machine by pressing that pedal and hold from here and slowly. Yes, hold from here, don't be scared. Okay. Okay guys, so our thread was just out because it's a common problem with the beginners, but anyways we will start again. So Sahar, press again, hold from here, hold your fabric from here. Yes, from here, like this way, guide it and press your pedal. Yes, don't be scared. Just a minute, sorry. Okay, don't be scared. Hold from here. Yes. Okay. Yes. Good job. Okay. Yes, press a little more. Okay, now up this lever from here. Up this lever, Shahar, from here. Yes, from here. Push this lever up like this way and cut it from here like this way. Okay, so guys, we just stitch this line. Okay, now okay guys, so now we just stitch this line. Now we have to stitch here. Okay guys, for after stitching this line, now we need to turn this like this way. Okay, and after turning this, we will hold this one fabric from here. Before that, just stitch pin it like this way, and now hold one fabric from here and one from here, and now you will start stitching. Okay, so Sahar, you need to stitch here. Okay, so let's go to the machine. Now Sahar, just start from here. Okay, yes, now start from here and make sure that there is no other fabric, only these two layers should be here, and now start stitching. Come on sir, hold from here. Yes, hold from here and push the pedal.
Push.
Yes, yes, push. Yes, good.
Push.
Yes, push. Okay, now after you reach here, just remove some more fabric here like this way. Okay, and then again adjust it like this way and then stitch. Hold from here. Sahar, hold from here. Yes, hold from here. Yes. Now start. Okay, now again remove some more fabric here like this way. Remove some more fabric, remove this pin from here, and push this way. Okay, and hold from here. Yes, from here and stitch. Stop here and then again push a little more See, hold from here, hold from here. Yes, then stitch. Guys, please press a thumbs up button for Sahar. Stop, Sahar, stop. Then remove some more and check. See, this was our last stitching, so this much we need opening. Okay, so this much we need opening, so that's why we will just double lock here. Sahar, push this button here. Sahar, push this button here. This is double lock. Yes, push this button and push your pedal. Push your pedal. Push the pedal of machine. Where is pedal? Shah, yes, press the pedal. Press the pedal.
Pedal.
Press pedal and hold it. Yes. Yes. Yes, again. Press the pedal.
Press.
Yes, press it.
Press it, pedal.
Yes, press. Good. Okay, now remove this from this cutter. Okay, and guys, now let's go to the sewing table. I will show you. Now this is the opening. From here, Sahar, turn it inside out. Turn it inside out. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, pull it. Pull. Yes, pull. Yes, pull. Good. See? So this is the band. Now we will stitch this line by hand. You can stitch this by machine as well if you want. Otherwise, you can use a hand needle to teach your kids the hand stitching. So first we take a hand needle. So guys, to close this we need here invisible hemming. You can check in my playlist. I already uploaded a video, but here because Sahar is beginner, so I'm just teaching her a very basic stitch. So first we will do it like this way. Sahar, look at this. First we will do it like this way. Okay, and then we will take from here. Okay, like this. Then again from here, see, like this. And then again from here, see, like this. Okay, you can try. Yes, take from here. Take. Yes, take stitch from here. See, like this way. Yes, pull this. Good. Yes, pull like this. Now from here as well, take like this. Yes, pull the needle. Good. Now here again. Guys, to teach the kids is very required very patience and your calm behavior. Sometimes they easily get tired or distracted, so you need to be calm very. Okay, so now here also, Sahar, push this, pull this. Good. Now same way here, try to insert your needle here. Yes, from right hand, hold in your right hand and do it like this. Okay, then pull it. Good. And now from here same way, see, like this way, and pull it. So that's how guys we will complete this, and then I will show you the final result. So guys, finally we are reached on the end of our hole, and now I'm just making here a loop to secure it. Sahar, see, that's how you need to make a loop and pass your needle inside this like this. That's how it will be secure. Okay, so now what we just made, this is a headband for Sahar. Okay, so for Sahar, headband. See, that's how it's completed. Now you can check this on your dummy or on your head. So let's try. So guys, this is our final look of our headband. And Sahar, did you enjoy this project?
Yes.
Good. So say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, good. Okay guys, bye bye, and please press the thumbs up button so that Sahar will be happy and encouraged, and give your feedback. And if you want more tutorials for the kids, let me know in the comments.